From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today we have a special guest. As you guys already probably know him, Dimitri with Credit Repair Co. Okay, this video is about how to remove student loans from your personal credit reports. Okay, I know we talk about business credit a lot, but it's very important to make sure your personal credit is in tip-top shape. And that's why I decided to bring Dimitri on. I've had him on the past over the last 2 to 3 years. I've known him for 15 years. He's helped myself out, my wife, and a couple family members, and as well as several Get Business Credit viewers and a couple Credit Josh viewers. So definitely watch the whole video. If you have student loan issues on your credit report, get the free information and the link in the description below, but hear him out. That's all I ask. It's free information. Hear him out because you don't want to jump the gun and make a mistake. With all that being said, I'll let Dimitri take it over. Thanks so much for coming on, Dimitri.
Absolutely. Thank you, Josh, for having me again. Hello, everybody. Hello, my dear students. You know, I respect every single one of you. You wanted to go out and learn something. Not too many people want to do that nowadays. You know, I admire what you've done, but the economy is cyclical. You know, you got your degree. You cannot find a job. Who's there to blame? You know what I mean? So you thought everything's going to be okay. But let's say you couldn't find a job. The payment was due. You missed the payment and you're behind on those student loans. I had clients that had student loans from $50,000 to almost up to $1 million student loans. I had a doctor that had almost $1 million worth of student loans. That's including, you know, about 8 years, including residency and all that stuff. So I'm going to share with you the tactics we use as the credit repair company to help consumers such as yourself. So you can take this information and use it to your advantage, draft your own letters. I'm going to give you 30 different reasons why someone might, you know, be able to dispute student loans with credit bureaus. Also, I'm going to give you a couple of different tactics and how-tos. This is what it's all about, providing as much value as possible for you guys, okay? And if you miss any of the information I just mentioned, or you don't know how to spell certain things, don't worry about it. You can just, you know, send us a message using the link below, and I'll send you all of these reasons, all my notes that I've prepared, but I'm not going to bore you with that. You know, I'm just going to give you the most valuable information from all these notes and 30 different reasons. So if you're aware, or I'm not sure if you may be aware or not aware, that there are two types of student loans, federal and private. So you want to know which one you got. So the private loans are going to be reporting late up to 30 days. With federal, you have a little bit more leeway. After 90 days, that loan will start reporting as late. Okay, so a couple of things you want to, you know, look into, and you probably have. Like, there are so many different forgiveness programs, deferment options. Okay, now let's say you tried them all out and you're still behind. You can't figure out what to do. The tactic number one that I recommend is get them current first and then dispute. That's the most common, tactic. But if you don't want to do that, you know, if you don't have funds to get current, okay, here's what you do. You consolidate all of those student loans into one. So new student loan will be reported. The other ones will be paid off and closed. And then you fight them one by one once they're paid off and closed. Okay? So that's the tactic that we use. You use validation letter requesting a promissory note when you dispute those closed student loans that have been consolidated and now being reported as closed. Okay, now when you dispute those student loans, closed student loans with original creditor, what you want to do is you want to find discrepancies, inaccuracies in reporting. Okay, so I'm giving you a list of 30 different possible inaccuracies that could be, something could be wrong with the reporting of your student loan account. And what credit bureau would have to do, either correct or delete that particular account. And this is the strategy in a nutshell, how we fight those student loans. okay? Because the balances 99% of the time are incorrect, okay? Especially if the account's been closed and, refinanced a couple of times, because I've seen that happen, okay? So I'm not going to go through all of those. They're going to be available for you guys. Just send us a message and I'll send you all of those reasons absolutely free. But in a nutshell, this is the best approach when it comes to fighting those closed student loans, okay? You want to get them, refinanced, consolidated, closed, and then you fight them, okay? So this is what I got, it's time consuming, of course, but when it comes to federal debt, it's inevitable. You either have to remove it, or hey, there is no other way around it. So take your time, learn the process. If you don't want to do it yourself, I'm here to help you, and do my best. But I just wanted to share with you the tactics that we use and suggestions that we give to you guys so you can use it to your advantage. All right. Thank you so much just for having me.
No problem. You guys heard it right from the expert, how to remove student loans. And exactly when it comes to the federal government, or back to federal government, student loans, I mean, there's no way really around it. You got to pay them, just like Uncle Sam, you got to pay them. But there's ways to, like he said, make your life a little easier. But all the information will be below. If you're on mobile phone, I think it'll say more on the description. Expand that, and you'll see not only his contact information if you need it, but even if you just want to get the free PDF like we're talking about, I encourage you to do that. It's free. It's not going to ask you for anything, just so you get it for free. And you can put in the work yourself, and if you have the time, do it, and it's definitely golden nuggets that he's given you guys. Not only this, but the last 5 or 6 videos that we recorded right here will be the playlist. Check those out. How to remove collections, medical collections, zombie debt, all that. It's there, and he'll show you, and you get the PDF for free for each individual one. All right. And then if you need his help for further things, or if you have a really messed up credit report, it's okay. We've all been there, I think, one time or another. Don't feel bad. So he's there to help. He's helped out several people, including myself and family members of myself. Definitely I vouch for him. Anyways, hit the video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it because it helps the channel grow and everything. And also subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. Appreciate it. Okay. Till next time, you guys take care and don't miss out. We have a banger video coming soon about FICO 9. Okay. Bye-bye.